I do want to get to the Kawhi thing because, as Brian mentioned, man, he has been on fire in these finals, averaging nearly 30 points, grabbing more than 10 rebounds per game versus the Warriors. So, Tracy, if you are Kawhi, we talked about this a little bit last night in Jurassic Park.
We got to answer this again.
How do you feel? It's complicated. And by the way, I think you're the perfect guy to answer this because it is complicated. Everyone wants to give to you what they think they would do if they were in your shoes.
Yes, but listen. He's playing for a championship. What I think he likely will win this championship this year. First year being here in Canada, and the love that is being poured into this team, into Kawhi. Look at these viewing parties all over the country. Are you kidding me? Toronto hasn't celebrated a championship in its city in, 25, 26 years?
Right.
And Kawhi, first year being here, is delivering that. You own this town, this country. Why?
Do you know how the finals impact
championships?
Do you know how the finals impact Kawhi? How well the Raptors have taken care of him this year.
Yes.
And that even an organization like the Warriors, that is a first-class, world-class organization, wasn't able to protect Kevin in this situation. And the Raptors have taken care of Kawhi. And I'm not saying that another team like the Clippers couldn't take care of him, but that has to be worth more, especially after seeing what happened with Durant.
See, this is what I asked at the top of the show, is it's going to change how we see the Warriors. You're already starting to change that.
We have to look into Kawhi having a lot of respect for a Toronto organization, because when he was hurt in San Antonio, he opted not to play with whatever injury he had going on.
No, and he felt like a lack of trust. They didn't trust how he felt.
For him to be playing through these injuries throughout the playoffs and giving his all, I mean, shows that the line of respect that he had for this team and his organization.
Yep. Be interesting to see. There's also the other side of the coin of, hey, he could feel like he delivered what he came here to do. He only said he never committed. He's never ever said, I want to see myself here in the future. He got traded here. He delivered. He could maybe say, my work is done. He's won title before, so this isn't like his first title, and maybe say, okay, it's time now to take care of what I want about some other things in my life. We will see. I don't know.